You can post all month long and still stay invisible because most advisors, they're making videos that don't actually create clients. So today I'm going to show you the only 3 video types that consistently generate real conversations, not just views, likes, or polite golf claps. If you stick around until the end, I'm giving you the templates and the topic lists that we use with advisors every month so you can start using these 3 video types immediately, like today, if you want. Quick context, we work with independent advisors every day on their visibility and content systems. And when advisors switch to these 3 video types, things take off fast. Visibility goes up, trust gets built, and the quality of their conversations improves almost overnight. Here's the issue most advisors don't realize. Most of their content is either way too broad or it's just information without trust. And that doesn't create clients. Clients don't come to you for more information. They come to you for clarity and confidence. So let's fix that. Here are the 3 video types that actually work and why. Video type 1, the clarity video. This one removes confusion and it helps people understand one thing better than they did before. Not 5 things, not a life plan, just one focused insight. It positions you as the person who brings real signal instead of noise. Here's some examples. Market context without fear-mongering. Retirement trade-offs clearly broken down. Sequence of returns without sounding like a textbook. Roth versus traditional minus the headache. These videos work because they make you the aha moment advisor, the one who makes everything click. Video type 2, the trust story video. This one builds connection fast. You share a short anonymous story that shows experience and judgment. This could be a client scenario, name changed, obviously, a lesson you learned the hard way, a moment that shifted how you work, a mistake people make, and how you help them avoid it. You see, people trust stories more than information. Stories humanize you. They show that you're not just smart, that you get it. These create the I'd actually work with this person moment. Video type 3, the framework video. This one shows structure, and structure builds confidence. You walk through a simple 2 to 4 step process you use with clients, something real, something visual, something they can latch onto. Here's some examples. A 3-step retirement alignment checklist, a 2-part investment philosophy, a high-level decision map for pre-retirement families. Framework videos work because they show you're not winging it. You have a method, a system, a process. That's what people are looking for. Someone who leads with clarity, not with chaos. Here's why these 3 videos work so well. They create clarity, trust, and leadership, which, if we're honest, are the only 3 signals that actually matter when someone's choosing which advisor to talk to. Now, when you combine these videos with the 2-hour monthly recording workflow from episode 1, you've got a full authority engine. It's consistent, it's clear, and it doesn't hijack your entire schedule. If you want the topic lists, templates, and examples for all 3 video types, they're inside the Advisor Visibility Kit. It's free, it's actually helpful, and it pairs perfectly with what you're learning here. Now that you know what to record each month, the next piece is what to say inside of those videos to position yourself as the authority instantly. And once you see how to structure what you can say on camera, these 3 video types hit completely differently. Let me show you what I mean.